Hi friends, welcome to another exciting video about new tips. So guys, today I'm going to share with you a tip how you can give more details about any reference which you have used in any feasibility, in any other uh, calculation where you want to refer to another source. So if you have such a condition, you have used some quotation, some sort of other evidence which you want to keep as a backup. In case of any question, you can show more details. So for example, I have used in cell E1 something and I have a reference for it. So how can I keep that reference within this file, and in case of need, how I can show that one. So I'll go to right click, insert comment. I can erase my name and put here. Okay. Now I'll go and edit this comment. Once you go edit, go on the border, right click, format comment. Here you will come into colors and lines, go to the fill, go in the fill colors, fill effects. In the fill effects, you have the picture, select the picture from a source. So that quotation or that reference I have kept somewhere on my file. So I will pick this picture as my reference, insert it, okay, and now it is inserted over it. I can keep it to a size which is visible, and if I go here, so easily I can show in case of need my reference. This is how I got my number. This is my Excel tip number 1, so that's why I'm using number 1. Here I can use another example where I'm taken a quotation for 2 burgers. So let's try it again. Insert comment. If you want to amend, amend. If you don't want to amend, go here. And in this case, you have to right click, edit the comment on the border, right click, format comment, colors and lines, fill area, and in the fill effects, and then picture. Select the picture. I've kept another picture on my desktop. These burgers, something to eat, insert, okay, okay. And again, you can resize that to your requirements. So how I have estimated the entertainment cost is based on this. It's hidden. It's not taking much space in your calculation, but same time it is readily available in case you want to show it as a reference. Thank you. Friends, you can use this trick in many different ways, but one example which I can share with you is that you can take a picture of your bank balance and GL balance and insert into the GLs into your bank reconciliation statement. In this way, you don't have to open the system, yet you have your reference attached in the same cell. In any other reconciliation, also you can take the system screenshots and keep them as cell picture, and that will be a very good reference for you. Thank you.